Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Honda Insight. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable mode. For safety, please ensure your vehicle is parked. On your car's display, press the Home button, then select Phone. Next, choose Connect Phone to begin the process. Now on your car's screen, you'll want to select Add New Device, or plus Connect New Device. Your Honda Insight's hands-free link system will then automatically begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. If your phone doesn't appear on the list, you may need to initiate a search for hands-free link directly from your phone's Bluetooth settings. Once your phone appears on the car's display, select its name from the list. Both your phone and the car's screen will then show a unique pairing code. It's important to carefully compare these codes to ensure they match. If they do, confirm the connection on both your phone and the car's system to proceed. After confirming the pairing code, you should receive a notification on both your phone and the car's display indicating a successful connection. You can then select desired functions, such as importing your phone book or enabling audio streaming. Your phone is now connected, allowing you to enjoy hands-free calls and music through your Honda Insight's audio system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.